I do this for the family reunion, right? This is for my grandma, all my people in Nebraska, my cousin Timmy, check it out, check it out. Hello everybody, how do you do, right? Check it, my name's Pigeon Johnny, LA sends the crew, right? I know what you're thinking, who is this fool, right? Check it, my name's Pigeon Johnny, I make the ladies drool. Hey, all my body people in the place go. All my nerds on the internet go. If you're showing up late, your work go. All my college dropouts, they can go. If you're working temp jobs, let's go. All the black white girls, let's go. All the white black girls, let's go. All the prettier wittier girls, let's go. Met her at the Derby over the weekend. I said, my name's Pigeon Johnny, and she grinned, right? Oh, I said, but can I get the 7 pigeons? And she said no. Oh shit. I said, but my name's Pigeon Johnny. She said she had to go. All my body people in the place go. All my nerds on the internet go. If you're showing up late, your work go. All my college dropouts, they can go. If you're working temp jobs, let's go. All the black white girls, let's go. All my white black girls, let's go. All the prettier wittier girls, let's go. One time for your mind, you'll find Pigeon Jack dipped and well equipped with the rhyme. 100% I dodged and try to repent, but usually fall when I start to climb. A modern day St. PJ, 6 in Alvarado becomes a cliche. Never that change format and double down. Jack don't ask him, but what she say? Cause I don't really care what they think. Tomorrow they'll be doing my song and we'll be claiming it's new. And 2 years ago they used to say that ain't even hip hop, not a diss and a Sinatra suit. And if they're real silly, thinking DJ's a joke, but they'll be doing exactly what I do. I tell you what, I give you my style right now to save time, cause it takes time for you to choose. Obviously, all my body people in the place go. All my nerds on the internet go. If you're showing up late, your work go. All my college dropouts, they can go. If you're working temp jobs, let's go. All my white black girls, let's go. All my black white girls, let's go. All the prettier wittier girls, let's go.
Big up to Section 8. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. You know.
Me a nigga out, put him in the headlock, rock a knock him bedrock, Holly rock, this is the spot where I hang out a lot, and squat, you flip on the mic, push on my tongue, don't the cock rock, I'm back from the back street, cruising down my street, 111th Street, Wilmington Street, to the beat, cause all the fucking time you see me chilling in the fucking street, oh yeah, with a jean jacket, and traffic, oh yeah, I'm chilling with my people, big arch, the last asshole, Rocky, walk up to the PJ Patrol, in the cut, going down 11 Deuce, no shades cool, I will flow with my nigga Bill Rollers, bust a couple of corners, looking for the hustler, can I get a double humble, County, one of my green, look around and see Bronco of the RBP clip. He said, what's up, a Section 8 trip. I took the pot and took the spot on to the JDs. I heard it through the grapevine, no if and no maybe. Maybe I can cruise down 108 for Centro. They throw the B up, I throw the 50 so tempo. Listen to the tempo, no instrumental, bust a pimpo, and you better do it Centro. Bust that left at Imperial for Centro. I stopped for a burger was on my pistol. Got that endo with my weed roller. Then my homie stole 5-point tuna. Bust that left at Imperial and Wilmington. I stopped at 8 high, I get high, niggas are frozen. Back in traffic, rapid. I talk away, I walk away, I run away, I'm gone. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. The last real asshole in your neighborhood. The Section 8 don't take over like a freight train, living at Imperial Station. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. The last real asshole in your neighborhood. The Section 8 don't take over like a freight train, living at Imperial Station. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and race and hate and relationship objects. Rolling and dipping up on the bags cause I'm slipping. Running back changing, switches I'll be flipping. Coming to Southgate, trying to bump a Southgate. Headed for Imperial, it's smoky in America. I might go right and that red light. Right to the marketplace to replace my taste with the bomb shit. Nigga the bomb shit. Like the atomic dog with the bomb shit. Watch up, watch
I gotta be hot low. Going for broke, no joke. I know, I stroke, fast, no slow. Ask for the passenger, nigga, rover, nigga, over. Bring your tips to cut to let me fuck with my condominium. Definitely, pretendly, into the him I mean. Smoking like a chimney. Watch up, gotta get them cops up. Out of here like Vladimir, as soon as they put their clocks up. Kicking fools like Bruce, knocking niggas shit loose. Eyes and chest, it's the 90 deuce truth. To the 9 straight, sipping on the loose, with a nigga Simone like chucking them every day.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. The last will last in your neighborhood.
So face moving like a freight train, leaving the Imperial Station.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. The last will last in your neighborhood.
So face moving like a freight train, leaving the Imperial Station.
One and two and
Watch me cut my tongue out of my mouth because I love you. No more stupid words to leak out. I walk around my house in my bare feet, dead silent. Listen to the stairs squeak. Bumping around the lights off in the dark with my silverware drawer. I'm feeling nice and fork. I get the sharpest utensil I can find, or maybe just a pencil grind. Lead poisoning in my mouth, but anything that I can find is to cut my tongue out, so I can stop all the stupid things I say, and music could probably change my wicked ways. Smile with my blood-stained teeth, just talk with my hands when it's time to scream. A butter knife started sawing out my gums, chewing on some stainless steel till my mouth gets numb. Man, I take a jab at my tonsils, the center console. Now I'm spitting out chipped teeth, no relief. They show me, stop those lies and mislead. Stop that. I let the world watch my mouth bleed. Now I cut my tongue, it's only hanging by a little piece of meat. But I try not to wake my family when they're asleep. I get some rusty scissors, and now I'm trying to cut this thing out. It's like the bad, it's always curious about the good, and there's no doubt that the cured, it's always curious about the bad. Still trying to cut my tongue out, you know. With every cut, I try not to wake my daughter up. I'll end up a babbling idiot with my lips sewn up. Haven't found a way to kill me yet, or take this animal away to the vet. They come from far to spit on me. Now this time the good stays curious, but the bad stays serious. Cut my tongue out, but by this time I'm dizzy and nauseous. Living with a knife is obviously cautious. Kitchen tile, now it's all full of spit and blood, see, but I try not to slip. Away I creep back the stairs to go to sleep. I wash the blood off my face and lay my head on my pillowcase. I succeeded. Thank you. Watch me cut my tongue out of my mouth because I love you. So no more stupid words leak out.